Look at this beautiful daylilies. They're fully in bloom. And I don't know if how many people knows that this is not only a beautiful garden flower, but daylilies are wild edible and perennial vegetable. And they quite tasty. And I don't know, if you're adventurous to try, I would recommend. I'm gonna pick up a few of them today, and I'm gonna make stuffed daylilies. So to identify, there's a tons of lilies on the garden, and daylilies identified by 6 yellow and orange petals like this. Yeah, let's try. I'm gonna pick up some beautiful one, and I'm gonna probably I'm gonna discard this reproductive part of the lily because they could be a little bitter and not that tasty. So I think this one is pretty good. Maybe a few of them. Yeah, look how beautiful they are. Oh. Fresh. 6 of them. That's enough. I'm gonna make an appetizer with the goat cheese and garlic. Leave them here in nature. All these reproductive parts. This little, very easy to remove. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Well, we are back in the kitchen with our lilies. I think I'm gonna cut the stems a little bit, so then it's kind of, you can lay a little flat. So I'm gonna surprise my husband today. Some of my friends are making fun of me when I'm making those, like, Luba, you don't have any food to eat? You start eating lilies in the garden? But they really tasty. They're kind of crunchy. It has basically not that much taste, but they have a lot of flavonoids, vitamin C, lots of different goodies for you. So, and I prepared this mixture of 4 ounces of goat cheese, bunch of dill. I put also parsley there, and 1 clove of garlic, a little finishing salt, just a regular salt. You can add pepper. Oh, and I put the 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. So it's kind of have to be, it doesn't have to be really runny, but not very hard either. So I'll take like a good tablespoon and just put it inside, using my finger, helping. So they just like this. Imagine to invite your friends and show them this beautiful, oh, I got one with a reproductive stems. Okay, so I'll get another one here. Oops. I need to kind of third one. I will leave more information about lilies, how to identify them properly, and this recipe in the link below, where you can go to my blog and just find all about this yummy appetizer. So I discovered them probably maybe 3-4 years ago. I had no idea. I've been growing them in my garden for a while, and I didn't know they edible. So I'll just put the little, you can put, for garnishing, you can put other flowers on the top. I didn't have any, because normally I have calendula, and you can pluck those petals and put it, and it looks amazing. And I just put the dill today. And I had a few flowers from the holy basil, but not much. So I just garnish them with a little dill, and here it is. Look at your wonderful stuffed daylily. Thank you. See you next time. So delicious. You just eat them like this. Yum, yum, yum. I love it.